Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be working on a 2015 Chevy Malibu. Let me find the way how to get there. So early in the morning, Sunday, and I need to get to that car because my sister-in-law needs a car to get the kids in the school, and also she needs to get to her school, to work, and so on. So that Malibu needs to be finished before everything starts. We got all the parts already. I believe I got everything. Man, I totally forgot one thing. Subframe in Tahoe, and Tahoe is in. My wife drove Tahoe to work, which is in town. Man, why this? Oh, I totally forgot about. Anyway, the vehicle is parked over there, somewhere way over there. You can probably see it. It's probably like a quarter-mile away, maybe even more. So let's go there, get it started, bring back next to garage, start disassembling, and make a plan what needs to be done. I think it needs to go on the frame because lower portion is damaged, but we'll see. Let's get there first, and then we'll decide what needs to be done. Oh, I finally got to a car. Man, what a hike. I hope this wheel won't fall off by trying getting out of here. So let's see if it will start. Oh man, oh, so much work. So much work needs to be done. For bags. It's like a week work. Let's see. Nice. Let's go. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to garage. It will pop out, so I'm gonna have to go home, pick up the tractor, get the freaking, what is it, jack tools, get here, put the wheel back, get the car down, come here again, get the tractor, come get the tractor down. Good morning, like it's a morning. Let's try to fix this. Oh man, I forgot tripod. Okay, I got it back, and I thought this spare tire will save me, but it will save me, but it's without air now. I don't know why. Brand new spare tire and without air. Anyway, let's try get to a shop. Hopefully I'll make it. Then I'm gonna have to come over and pick up the tractor. Oh, so much walking from the morning. I can't turn a lot because it will pop out again. And I can't do big bumps on the left wheel because it'll pop out again. Yep, again. Just moved from here. I don't know, maybe 100 feet, maybe less. Let's get to it again. It started giving me less and less opportunity to get it back home. I mean, you see where the tractor is, and that's where my house is. So, well, gosh, what can I do? I need to find bigger rocks, maybe try to install it like this without taking wool off. Man, finally got this thing here. After last time I recorded, it's actually a little dirty. After last time I recorded, the wheel fell off 4 more times. Man, till I made it to a corner over there, and then it was fine till make it here. But it was pain to coming down from the hill, and this wheel has been popping out from the lower control arm. I got it here. That's where I will disassemble. First thing where I wanted to start is I need to jack the whole thing up. Let's get the bumper off, probably headlight off, to inspect the damage over there. Also, I need to see what's going on underneath and what I can do with this subframe mount. I need to figure it out. So in order to do that, I need to disassemble front end. I will go get the tractor from there and I will start disassembling. Now, since I took everything apart, let's assess the damage. So what I find out over here, you see this is moved probably, I would say, a couple inches, if not more. So that means I'm gonna have to sit the vehicle on the frame. Yeah, I don't really want it to do this, and what I'm thinking is to go to Harbor Freight and buy this push pump or portal cable. Anyway, my plan is actually to see if I can push it here. I mean, install it here, then start pushing, cut this mount off of the subframe, and then start pushing this and see if it's gonna come out. If it's gonna start coming out pretty good, I mean, I don't have to get the vehicle on the frame, and this I can mangle it out here and make it work. That is the plan. Let's go to Harbor Freight, see if we can purchase something, and then come back, continue working on it. Made it back home. I bought the, what is it called? I know it called something like. Now I can start working with it, fixing that vehicle, and hopefully I don't have to sit it on the frame. I also bought this little one just for some tight spaces, just in case maybe sometimes I'm gonna need it and I don't have to drive there. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be handy. So before I can start working on it, I need to get this wirings out of here. Also, I'll get the sawzall, cut this off, and then I'm gonna start working in this area. Okay, now we're talking. Now we can do some stuff. Now we can do some damage. Let's test it. I'm ready. You can see under how much tension it was. Let's test it, see how everything gonna be coming out. See, just like that I was able to save myself at least 2 hours to get this vehicle on the frame. Now I think it's straight. What I need to do is start preparing everything to drop to the subframe, because when my wife gonna show it up, actually I probably will do that tomorrow. Now we'll prepare it, and next day I'll probably gonna start installing everything. Because like I said in the beginning of this episode, today is Sunday and currently 4 p.m. I think it's gonna be enough time for me to work on Sunday till probably 6-7 p.m. Anyway, let's continue digging, prepare everything, and maybe even drop the subframe and then prop it up the engine with the transmission with something so it stays there. And when I'm gonna be ready to throw the subframe, I'll do that. So I'm done taking subframe out. Everything is just hanging there. And here's the subframe. Here's the piece that I cut out, and here's the subframe. I'm not gonna be using anything from that side. I'm gonna need to take the motor mount and move it to other one that I purchased from the wrecking yard, and lower control arm, and also radiator bracket. On that side I'm gonna have to find that bracket, but other than that, I think that's it. From this point it should go a lot quicker, because it looks like we have all the parts, but I already see a couple things that I haven't noticed previous time, and I didn't know that I need to order, like that radiator bracket, and there's a couple other things, but it's okay, we'll take care of it. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. Next episode I'm gonna start installing everything back, gonna fix that corner over there, and of course gonna test fit the bumper with everything else. If everything gonna be good, preparation for painting, and so on, and of course interior probably gonna be last, or we'll see. I haven't decided yet. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.